Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Poco mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Poco mobile guys fingerprint lock setting. And today video title is guys how to add fingerprints. Friends, you want to add fingerprint, you want to use 2 and 3 and 4 fingerprint. So friends, how to use one by one we will talk about. So without waste time guys, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, open your phone search option and friends search your fingerprint lock setting. Friends, click here fingerprint lock setting. Enter your device password friends, and you have pattern lock, so and draw pattern. Okay, next option, add fingerprint. You want to add 1 2 3 4 fingerprint. One by one friends you can add. Again enter a device password. After enter password, next add your fingerprint. Which fingerprint friends you want to use? Add your fingerprint on your sensor, touch and remove, different move. If you touch, your fingerprint lock will not add. So friends, remove your finger, touch your finger, remove your finger, touch your finger, different move, and you can set fingerprint and you can add your fingerprint data in your Poco phone device. You want to add face lock, you can add face lock. So guys, 2 fingerprint will add. One more you want to add, click here. Again enter your device password, same, touch and remove your fingerprint. Next option, you can add one more fingerprint in your Poco phone device. You want to add, you can add one more fingerprint. Touch and remove a different move, fingerprint lock will add. And friends, you can rename your fingerprint lock. Click here, enter your device password, and you can rename your fingerprint lock. Click here, I will name your fingerprint lock. You want to rename my fingerprint lock. So like that friends, you can rename fingerprint. So friends, now you can unlock your device with 3 fingerprints. First is thumb, second, and you can unlock your device with 3 fingerprints. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video.